Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon gift card to pay for orders on Zomato. First, open the Amazon India application or website on your device. Locate and tap on the Amazon Pay section. Here, you will find an option to Add Gift Card. Enter your unique 16-digit gift card code carefully into the designated field. Confirm the entry to instantly add the value to your Amazon Pay balance. Once your Amazon gift card balance is loaded into Amazon Pay, open the Zomato application and proceed with placing your food order. When you reach the payment screen, tap on Payment Options. Look for and select Amazon Pay among the various digital wallet choices. You will then be prompted to securely log in to your Amazon account to link it with Zomato for the transaction. After linking your Amazon account, carefully review your Zomato order details and confirm that Amazon Pay is selected as your payment method. Proceed to confirm the payment. It is essential to ensure you have sufficient balance in your Amazon Pay wallet to cover the entire order amount. Once confirmed, your Zomato order will be successfully placed, and you will receive a confirmation. Remember, Amazon gift cards are first redeemed into your Amazon Pay balance, which then acts as the payment source on Zomato. Always confirm that Zomato supports Amazon Pay as an available payment option in your region. Ensure your Amazon Pay account is active and verified to avoid any transaction delays. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to contact Zomato or Amazon customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.